Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Now today we're going to be doing the half double crochet, and basically what we're going to be doing now is build on what we did before, which was the single crochet. We're going to be adding new thread right here, so we want to make sure that the thread is secured between that working finger, what we've crocheted before, and the thumb. Insert the needle through that very first chain and grab the lead thread, pull through. We're going to be making 2 chains right here, and that should be about the same height of the half double crochet. So let's go ahead and do that. We've done 1, now 2. Alright, so let's get into making that half double crochet. We go under the lead, grab that, and then we go under that second chain right there, grab the lead again, pull that under the chain. We have 3 loops on the needle. We go back to the lead, and in one action we're going to pull through all the loops on the needle, and that is your half double crochet stitch. Again, under the lead, under the next chain, pull the lead thread through, 3 on your needle, go back to the lead and pull through all the loops. We go back to the lead, go under the next available chain, pull through. Again, we're going to go back to the lead and pull through all 3 loops on your needle. And that's it. That's how you create the half double crochet. Let's do one more. So go ahead and practice. As you can see, these stitches are quite easy once you get the hang of them. Just needs a little practice, that's all, and be able to tell the difference between all these stitches that I will be going through with you. Again, we do one last one, pull through, and of course again pull through all 3 loops on your needle. So on the first row we have the single stitch, and the second row, which we just did, is the half double crochet. So the first one is very compact and the second one is just a little bit higher. Now when we come back, we'll be doing the double crochet stitch, which will be heaping on top of this one, so you can see the difference between all the stitches. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Walk good.